How to fix JBL Tune Flex not charging. So as you can see, step number 1, we're going to ensure the charging case has power. So check the case battery level, place both earbuds into the charging case and then connect it to a power source using the original USB-C cable. Observe the LED indicators on the case. So one LED is approximately 25% charge, two LEDs is 50% charge, three LEDs is going to be 75% charge, and four LEDs that is now fully charged. And by the way, try a different power source. If the case doesn't show any charging indicators whatsoever, then try using a different USB-C cable, power adapter or wall outlet to rule out issues with the charging equipment or power source. Step number 2 is going to be for us to clean the charging contacts. So dirt, dust or earwax can interfere with the charging process. So to clean the contacts, use a cotton swab lightly dampened with rubbing alcohol to gently clean the metal contacts on both the earbuds and inside the charging case as well. Step number 2, allow all components to dry completely before attempting to charge again. Regular cleaning can actually prevent charging issues and maintain optimal performance. Step number 3, we're going to reset the earbuds. Resetting the earbuds can actually resolve some software glitches, just so you know. So you're going to place both earbuds into the charging case. With the case open, press and hold the button on both earbuds simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the LED indicators actually flash, as you can see. So then you're going to release the buttons and then close the case. Repair them, once again, repair the earbuds with your device. Please note, by the way, the exact reset procedure may vary. Refer to the user manual for your specific model, but this should be able to fix it. Step number 4, test the charging cable and adapter. So a faulty cable or adapter can prevent charging. So you're going to inspect the cable, check for any visible damage or wear on the USB-C cable. Try alternatives. Use a different USB-C cable and power adapter to see if the earbuds charge properly. And then avoid USB hubs. Connect the charging case directly to a wall outlet rather than through a USB hub or a computer port, of course, because that is not going to give you the optimal power. Then step number 5, we're going to contact JBL support. So if none of the above steps resolve this issue for you, there might be a hardware problem. In this case, it's advisable to contact JBL customer support for further assistance or to inquire about warranty options.